Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's time Marcus gets in on something that seems common around here. Like a lot of the YouTubers and TikTokers do it. They will have their own stickers like advertising their page, like the bald TikToker, of course, Big Dog, Grummet, their page as well, their competition site, Star to Fall competitions, like, and they're just sticking around Benidorm, whether it's on a lamppost or Niall, not Niall, where did I get Niall from? Nigel, they stick it on Nigel's scooter. If you haven't seen his scooter lately, it is kind of covered in stickers. Sadly, Sue won't let me do the same to hers because she's a miserable sod, but I found somewhere perfect. I'll just shove it there. Oh, sorry. There it is. Across the road from Bolroy, outside Avenida. If you see it, take a picture. Hang on. Like so. Just something like that. And say like, Marcus, I've seen it. Either like drop me a message on YouTube, on Facebook, tag my Benidorm Crazy Marcus page or something, like, just so I know that people are seeing it. I am also kind of doing it as well in hope people see it and they're like, well, hang on, who is Crazy Marcus? Then they like search me up, find me YouTube, watch me vids and think, wow, he's alright, he's actually entertaining. Then I get a new subscriber. Ozone bowling alley there, getting ready for opening again. Anyway, I am trying to get more subs. Hang on. I think my target is going to be 5,000 subscribers by Christmas. End of the year, guys, actually. So, yeah, I'll change it. 5,000 subs. 5,000 subscribers. Sorry. I thought I didn't need to do that. And that's the laundry arcade there. Of course, they're going there with the cafe down there somewhere, so like adults can just chill while the kids run around like headless chickens. Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah. So 5,000 subscribers by, no, I'll change it again. 1st of January 2025. Wait, no, that's been and gone. 1st of January 2026, I went to wake up from that hangover after partying all night on like New Year's Eve. I went to wake up, open that phone, look at my channel and see 5,000 subscribers, guys. We can get it done. Where are we going? Why? Oh, we're crossing to have a look at slippers. Because I do need some new slippers. Ones I've got at the moment, they are like summer ones and no back on them, so when I'm walking, I tend to fall out with them. I can't really. I'll tell you what. So, I'll end it here, then
No, carry on with your video and then we'll come back if you want.
yeah, go and then do that. So, gonna continue on with the vid and come back, because, yeah, as I said, the slippers I've got now, they're like, not got a back on them. So when I'm walking, I do tend to like slide out of them. And quite a few times I have nearly fallen over and really hurt myself. I know there's probably some of you sat there laughing your heads off, like, but yeah. You do find that when you're over here, you do tend to get like 2 different pairs of slippers. You tend to get like a sort of summer type pair, ones that are like sort of open at the back, like a bit more open, so you're not really sweating in them. Or you may just like walk round the house in a pair of sandals or sliders or something, which, yeah, I think Mike does that. I tend to stick to slippers. Then come winter, you get yourself a winter pair. Keep your feet warm over winter night. Or you do tend to buy yourself what I really love that I've got over here. Slipper socks. Pretty much. Can you get down there? I don't know. I think you can, can't you? Anyway, slipper socks, pretty much what they are said to be. It's a sock that's like a slipper, if that makes sense. That is really quite literally the only way I can think of describing it, really. Probably not the best way, obviously, but yeah, that is generally what it is. A sock that's like a slipper. Like, they tend to be quite like fluffy, and they tend to have sort of grippy bits on the bottom. So I guess that's how they kind of are like a slipper, because with the grippy bits on the bottom, like, you can get about more. But yeah, I love them. Or I just put me blanket on and tuck that over my feet. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, stay tuned to the channel for more amazing Benidorm content. And as always, what I forgot to say lately, it's another day in the office, it's another day in paradise. Adios.